Hello mga ka-Miranda, guess where I am right now? I'm actually here at the Saks, well, not Saks, but I'm here at the 5th Avenue. Not Saks, but I'm here at the 5th Avenue. I'm actually in the 5th Avenue. Sobrang busy, very awesome. Very awesome. Let me just try to look for a street number. 5th, tama ba? 52nd. Oh, there you go. You see the 5th Avenue. And in my, you have Zara and Ferragamo. And you have Victoria's Secret there. You're gonna be seeing mga yellow caps maya-maya. A lot of cultures here, sobra. Crazy, ang dami. This is walk around here. Oh, you have Longchamp here. Uy! Yung sinasabi ni Ivy, Longchamp. Hang on a second. I'm going to have a live check. Miranda, andito ako ngayon sa Saks 5th Avenue. Take a look. Woohoo! Here in the 5th Avenue, ang dami-dami dito. Merong Michael Kors, may Cole Haan, and sa kabilang road. And there's Michael Kors and the others beside it. Tapos yung as I've said, no, Saks Fifth Company, it's here. Walking lang. Ang dami kong gustong bilhin. Bibili tayo beef from trading, you know. Alright. It's crazy. Alright, let's see. It's like the whole 5th Avenue. Miranda. Let's go. Grabe, lahat ng mga sikat na brands. That's the reason why 5th Avenue is very sikat. Even on BGC, no? Yan ang gusto nila dyan gawin sa Taguig. If it's gonna be a 5th Avenue, kailangan medyo high-end. One thing that I've noticed here, Miranda, is lahat halos ng buildings merong US flag. Halos lahat meron. You're going to notice that. At here's ako, nasan ako. You're going to notice actors. Ang dami siya mga flags dito. And of course, merong famous H&M. Yan, sa famous H&M. Masarap maglakad kasi ang lamig. Super, ang sarap ng maglakad dito. Yeah. This is the famous, itong sikat sa Pilipinas, H&M. You have an H&M dito. Oh, Lululemon. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys. More to come for a video. Salamat.